What's up, beautiful people? So in this video, I'm going to be going over a few different things. One, I'm going to be going over how to fund your Coinbase account, how to fund your Hugosway account, which is a broker account for trading, how to transfer funds from your Coinbase account to your Hugosway account, and how to get verified with your Coinbase account, as well as your trading account. All right. So what I'm going to be using is Coinbase.com. You see it right over here. Now, one thing that you notice with Coinbase.com is that there's different levels. There's a level 1, a level 2, level 3. Now you have to get verified up to a level 3. All right. So very simple. You make an account, go to Coinbase.com. And, once you go to account level, it's going to give you, once you start going through these different steps, you're going to start getting access. So step number 1, you get verified with the phone number. So you put your phone number in the system. Once you put your phone number in the system, they send you a text, verify it, and step 1 is done. Now you're level 1. Now, level 2, you verify some personal information. Put in like your address, phone number, etc. Once you type that in, under my profile and such, then guess what? Level 2. Now, level 3, you have to verify an ID. So it's an ID. So it could be a passport. It could be a driver's license, state ID, driver's permit. So if you live in a different country outside of the U.S., because I'm from, New York City, you to verify your passport, or you can verify your ID, driver's license. Okay, so once you do those 3 steps, you can move on. All right, and in order for you to verify your photo ID, you just got to upload it. Make sure you have a very, good, clear photo. The photo that you take it on, the surface that you take it on, you probably want it to be a very, a solid color surface, so that you get a very good, clear picture. All right. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to actually do a live transfer from my Coinbase account to my Hugosway account. All right. So let's see. All right. So currently, right now, my portfolio, this is the amount that you have, that I currently have at the time of this video. All right. So how do I do that? So step 1, I actually have to deposit money into my account if I didn't already have money. So I go to deposit. All right. Now there's a way for me to do my checking account. If I do my checking account in this way, it takes pretty much 4 to 5 days. Now, if you like, you can do that because it's a lower fee, but there's actually a quicker way. All right, so when you go to trade, you go to buy. Say I want to buy $50 of Bitcoin. Now, 3 different ways. I have my checking right here, and you can actually, to get a higher buyer limit, because at first once you make your account, I think you start with like a $50, $100 buying limit, but it goes up the longer you have the account. You could add your checking account, then you could add your debit card, and you got another debit card. Then once you do that, you get a higher limit. Now my limit is up to 25,000 buying limit remaining per week. But it will be hold for, this won't be instant. Now, if you want it to be instant, you'd use your debit card. There's one of my Chase debit cards, and you'd use, another debit card. All right, and I could do up to $7,500, per week, and it's instant access to your assets. All right, so let's do this one. So $50. So I'm gonna do a live purchase right now of $50. Okay. All right, buying. Now you see right here, they take a little fee, $1.99, and that's what Bitcoin is at right now. All right, I go to buy, authorizing right now. Now, the thing about it is on my phone, they pretty much update me, and they tell me, right here that yeah, Bitcoin purchase is now available to trade. All right, so just like that. All right. Now you see it went from 266 to 313. Okay. So now I have the funds right here. So what we're going to do is that we're going to set, I bought Bitcoin with my debit card using Coinbase, and we're going to actually send a portion of that money to, the cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin. We're actually going to send that to your trader's account. Okay, the trader's account I'm using for in this demonstration is Hugosway, right? So I go to send. Now you're gonna have to type in the address, the Bitcoin address. All right. So how do I do that? So over here, go to dashboard. All right. You go to deposit. Select a wallet. It's my US wallet. And these are different ways for, different ways you could do it. A credit card, debit card, VLOAD, etc. We're going to use Bitcoin. Amount to deposit, we're going to do $150. Okay. So redial is going to say redirect me to payment page. Now this right here is your Bitcoin address, and you have 15 minutes to do this. So you could drag it, right click, copy. Would you say copy? Just like that. You go to the other window, you put in the information, all right? And you always want to verify, but you copy and paste it so it's the right link. All right. And hey, listen, definitely if you get any value from this, you feel free to, you just send me some funds if you like as well. All right. So I'm gonna put $150. All right. Move this out the way, go to continue. Right. So one thing that I like, about Coinbase is that they verify you. They send you a verification code. Guess what? You got to type it in. For some reason, they always send you two back to back. So you always type in whichever is the last verification code. Boom, just like that. Now you have actually successfully, uploaded your account, transfer your funds from your Coinbase with Bitcoin to your Hugosway. Now, if you're not, but just give some time, it's going to upload. So at first, there's a few things you have to do. If you're not already verified on your trader's account, you actually got to upload documents. It's very simple. There's a few different ways to do it. You take a photo with your phone. You send it to your email address. From your email address, you pretty much you save it on your computer, and you just drag it right here. Now you need a proof of address and a photo ID, and you can use your passport. So you just have a clear photo of a passport if you're in a state out of the U.S., or you can have your driver's license. And now here's the thing: if you use your driver's license or state ID, it has to match the proof of address. So what is allowed for a proof of address? Now you can actually use your a bank statement, a credit card statement, or of a utility bill. That is within the last 90 days. All right. So once again, just going over my checklist, make sure that I cover everything. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. So I believe. So once again, in this video, I went over how to fund your Coinbase account, how to get verified on your Coinbase account, how to, I did a live example of how to actually upload funds, and from your Coinbase account transferred over to your Hugosway account. Then at that point, what are you gonna do? The last step, you're gonna do internal transfer, and pretty much you're gonna transfer it to the wallet. You're gonna just fill this out, and you just transfer the amount of money that's gonna show up over here. You just transfer it from your wallet, to your MetaTrader 4 account. All right. So definitely hope you got value from this video. Definitely you know, put a like, you know, put a comment, and you know, definitely subscribe to my YouTube page as well. All right, and it's going to be in the comments. All right, thanks.